In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create a new institution in your Adiutor account so you can start managing your school or organization efficiently. Begin by logging into your Adiutor account. From the main page, click the Profile Settings option in the sidebar menu. This is where all profile-related settings are managed. Locate the Create an Institution button in the sub-menu of the Profile Settings page. Click on the Create Institution button. This should take you to a page with a form for setting up an institution. On the Institution Setup form, enter the required details such as the institution name, contact, and other relevant details. Make sure all information is accurate, as this will define your institution profile within Adiutor. Then click the Save and Continue button. Next, select Add a new campus to open the campus setup form. Enter your campus details and click Save. You can add multiple campuses by repeating this step, then click Next, once finished. Next, choose a subscription plan that best fits your institution's needs. This determines the features available to your school. And that's it. You've successfully created an institution in Adiutor. You can now start adding your students, staff, and academic periods. If you need further assistance, contact the Adiutor support team. Thank you for watching.